In this video, I will show you how to add your work history, educational background info to your Google account without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Gmail app. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Proceed to manage your Google account. Let's scroll down right here. Proceed to people and sharing. Then scroll down right here. Proceed to about me. Then scroll down right here. Click on add work and education. Then here you go. Go ahead and click on add occupation. Then fill up your occupations right here. And having filled up your occupation, switch to anyone, which means it's going to be available to anyone that is searching for your details in Google search. Once you are done, click on save right here. Then go back and then go ahead and click on add work and education again. Then here, add work history. You have to state the organization you work with, the job title, the year and the year end, and the job description, and then go ahead and hit on save. You can go on and add all the relevant information into your Google account about your work history and educational background. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Google accounts, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.